What up, YouTube? This is C-Mac 300C Hemi back again with another video. And what I got here is what I've been waiting for. Let's crack this open. This is the before and after. So let's get some light. Been waiting for these. Hold on real quick. There's only very few 300Cs, Hemis, that I know that got these lights. And one of them, shout out to my boy KG on 24s, man. I already had it planned to get them, but then when I seen them with them, I had to get them. Also, shout out to my boy Mopar Gang, Moderate Mods. Y'all know it's all good. My boy God Slayer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to my boy Real 2 Real, man, down there in Texas. Him and Life 44, man. My boy Authentic Benny down there in Louisiana holding it down. So this is what I got, y'all. Yes, sir. This is what I got. I might do the chrome on the outside. I might tint it. But these are like the newer style brake and turn signals for the 300s. You know what I mean? I mean, the other ones is alright, but we'll get back to y'all in a minute once I throw them in.